Welcome everyone. I'm Swati from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, first year BE from the Department of CSE AI. Now I'm here to explain about classes and objects in Python programming. Now let us start the session. The topics to be covered in this session are introduction to classes and objects, defining and creating clauses, creating objects from clauses, attributes and methods, encapsulation and data hiding, inheritance, polymorphism, class variables and instance variables, access modifiers, at the end its conclusion. Now let us start the session. Firstly, introduction to classes and objects in Python programming. Classes are a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming of Python. Objects are instances of classes that contain both data, that is attributes, and functions, that is methods. Classes and objects promote code reusability, organization, and modularity. Next is defining and creating classes. To define a class, use the class keyword followed by the class name. Classes can have attributes, that is variables, and methods, that is functions. Use the underscore init underscore method to initialize attributes when creating objects. Next is creating objects from classes. Objects are instances of classes. To create an object, use the class name followed by parentheses. Objects can access attributes and methods defined in their clauses. Next, attributes and methods. Attributes are variables that store data within an object. Methods are functions that perform actions on objects or modify their attributes. Both attributes and methods are accessed using the dot notation. Next, encapsulation and data hiding. Encapsulation is a process of bundling data and methods within a clause. Data hiding refers to making attributes private to prevent direct access from outside the class. Encapsulation and data hiding ensure data integrity and enhance security. Next, inheritance. Inheritance allows classes to inherit attributes and methods from a parent class. The parent class is called the superclass and the child class is called the subclass. Subclasses can add new attributes and methods or override existing ones. Next is polymorphism. Polymorphism allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass. It enables the use of the same interface for different clauses, providing flexibility and code reuse. Polymorphic behavior is achieved through method overriding and method overloading. Next is class variables and instance variables. Class variables are shared among all instances of a class. Instance variables are unique to each instance of a class. Class variables are defined outside of any method, while instant variables are defined within methods or the underscore init underscore method. Next is access modifiers. Access modifiers control the accessibility of attributes and methods. Public access allows accessing attributes and methods from anywhere. Private access restricts access to attributes and methods within the class only. Next, we reach the last part of the session, that is conclusion. Classes and objects are essential concepts in the Python OQD, OQP. They promote code organization, reusability, and modularity. Understanding classes and objects is crucial for building complex and